Today we will be learning about stitch and scoop. This is a deformation tool for two or more objects, which allows you to recalculate the geometry of one object relative to the other one, doing one of four options. For this tool to work, the objects have to intersect. Select the needed objects and apply stitch and scoop to them. In the control panel, select one of the four options of the deformation. The first one of them is union. After you apply this option, the selected object will unite into one. Press OK to confirm the action. If you turn the wireframe on, you can see that the segmented mesh has been recalculated and the intersection of the objects has disappeared, leaving the basic shape. The next option is difference. This option is mostly used to calculate the shape of one object by the shape of the other one. In order for it to work, go to the drop-down tab, Select, and select one of the highlighted objects. The shape of the other object will be calculated by the shape of this one. The result will be displayed on the object. Turn and keep subtracted object on. You will leave the object with which the space has been calculated on the workspace. Exclusion. It connects the protruding objects on their intersection. The calculation of the form is created. The last option is intersection. It leaves the intersection of the highlighted objects for